Hello.
Hello, my name is Daniela.
Where are you from, Daniela?
I'm from Peru.
You're from Peru. Do you study?
Yes, I study English, mathematics,
Uh, who-
etc.
who's your English teacher?
My dad.
Your daddy.
Yes.
Okay. How many days you study English?
5 days.
Study 5 days. And what days? What do you do on weekends?
I play soccer. I play Monopoly with my sister, or I go to the mall.
All right. Okay. Do you like to read?
Yes, I read.
Okay. What do you read?
I read my Frankenstein.
Okay.
Frankenstein.
How many days do you read your Frankenstein?
5 days.
5 days a week. Okay. 5 days a week. Okay. What fruit do you like?
I like mangoes and mangoes.
All right, mango. Okay. What about orange?
Huh?
Do you like orange?
Yes, I like orange and tangerine.
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 Okay. Okay. Um, do you have a pet?
No.
But do you want to have a pet?
Yes.
What pet would you like to have?
Rabbit.
A rabbit. Um, what does rabbit eat?
Hmm?
What does a rabbit eat?
Alfalfa.
Oh, carrots.
Carrot.
Okay. Daniela is learning English. How old are you?
Uh, 10, 10,
10 years.
10 years.
Okay. Okay, Daniela. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is the black and white.
Black and white. Okay. Do you like summer or do you like winter?
I like summer.
Why? What do you do on summer?
And summer
Or where do you go?
I summer go to the piscine
Swimming pool.
swimming pool.
All right. Bye bye, Daniela.
Bye bye.